Good morning. Good morning, students. Again, we are going to learn the max number names, which we had completed up to 350. You know very well, number names means writing of the spelling. That is called the number names. Today, we are going to learn the number names from 351 to 400. Remember, 351, whatever I have written here, these are called the figures. What is this? These numbers are called figures. 351, in the number names we can write THREE3, HUNDRED 100, FIFTY 50, 1 ONE 2, FOUR 4, HUNDRED 100. Okay, let's learn. Take your notebooks and hold the pencil in your fingers. Be ready for writing the numbers. First of all, write the heading. What will you write? You will write the heading. Number names. क्या लिखोगे? Number names 351 to 400. Okay, remember it. Our topic is number names. What is our topic? Topic is number names. Remember, number names or spelling of the numbers are the same one, huh? Can't differentiate between these two words. Number names also called the spelling of the numbers. Let's start writing the number name. First of all, we will write 351. As you know, 351 will be read like 300 and FIFTY 50 ONE1. Mostly people know how to write, but they don't have confidence to write. Remember it. We must remember whatever we are learning. Necessary thing is not to learn. Necessary thing is to remember and to memorize in your mind. If you will get it in your mind, you can keep it stored also. Now next one, 352. As you know, this number is called 300. And FIF 50 TWO 352. Next one number you must write to yourself, as I told it how to write. First of all, 353. Okay, remember it. Whatever is given here, you must write to yourself. Then 354. 354. Okay, as the format has been given to you. Okay, as I gave you format, you must write it here. Now 355 means 355. Okay, remember, necessary thing is to read the number. Now next one, 356. As people are saying me, madam, I knew the numbers, but what happened in writing format? You forgot the things. That's why I am teaching here again to you. Okay, otherwise there is not necessary to teach the numbers, because from the junior KGs to the second standard you had learned these all things. Now 357. 358. As I am giving you the blanks, then the blanks must be filled by the numbers, okay, by the spellings. If you will not fill it and you will not show me, that means I understand, I come to know that you don't have interest to write the numbers, and you will not get your oral marks. Okay? If you want your oral marks, you must write the numbers and you must complete your notebook. Now next one. After 358, the number which comes, that number is 359, yani 359. 359, THREE 3, HUNDRED 100, and FIFTY 50, NINE 9. See, our 50s decades completed here. Okay, 50s to 59, this is called the 50s decades. After that, the number which come, that 60s. 360 means 360s. Remember, most important thing is to pronounce the numbers and to read the numbers. See, THREE 3, HUNDRED 100, AND SIXTY 360. My dear student, remember it. Whatever you are learning here, you must write it in the notebook and show me it up to evening 5 o'clock. Because if you will not show it, next lesson will be not completed by your work. Okay, if you want to continue your learning, you must complete your classwork, whatever you are getting. Now next one. After 360, you will get the number 361. Which number it is? Can you say? Yes, this one is called 361. Okay, then 362. After 362, the number is called 363. 363. Okay, must write it and show me that. Then 364. Okay, speed must be there. Writing, neatness and cleanliness will be there. Whenever you will write, you must press the pencil. 364. After 364, you will get the number 365. Which number is there? 365. 365. As you know, THREE 3, HUNDRED 100, AND SIXTY 60, FIVE 5. 365. Now next number, whatever I am giving here, you must write to yourself. Okay, because in figure form I am giving to you, you must write the spellings or number form. Okay, now next one. 366. 366. Okay, now next number is, after 366 you will get 367. As you know, 367 will call 367. Okay, 367. Then the next number is called 368. Write it to yourself in the blank neatly and with your concentrate. Okay, 368. After 368, the number will you get here, that's 369. 369, 300. The place value of 3 is 100. That's why 369. Okay. नेक्स्ट वन, रिमेंबर 370 कम्स आफ्टर 369, मीन्स बिफोर 370 you will get 369, then you will get 370. रिमेंबर आपको लग रहा होगा मैडम यहाँ पे कन्फ्यूजन स्टेटमेंट हो रहा है, लेकिन नहीं, आपको मैंने बताया 369 के बाद 370 आता है, और इसी तरह से ये स्टेटमेंट ऐसे भी बोलेंगे 370 के पहले 369 आता है. ओके, राइट इट. 300 and SEVENTY 70. Okay, after 370 which number will there? Yes, you can say that number is called 371. 371. Then 372. राइट इट. यस, जल्दी लिखना है आपको. 373. बाय मेकिंग द एरो आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू द पॉइंट वॉट एवर नंबर यू विल राइट इट. ये एरो इसलिए बना है कि आपको पता चलना चाहिए जो नंबर लिख रहा है उसी का फिगर फॉर्म यहाँ पे है. अंडरस्टूड? फिगर फॉर्म इज ऑल्सो नेसेसरी. 374. देन 374 मतलब कि 374. देन 375. रिमेंबर इट. 375 मतलब के 375. 376 मतलब के 376. 377 यानी कि 377. ओके, 377 के बाद द नंबर विच कम्स हियर 378. डू यू रिमेंबर इट? अगर आपको लगता है कोई कन्फ्यूज़न, यू मस्ट कॉन्टेक्ट टू मी, बट यू मस्ट से कि मैडम मैंने सीखा. ओके, अगर आप नहीं सीखोगे तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा, इसलिए पहले लिखोगे और उसके बाद बोलोगे कि मैडम आई हैड लर्नड और नॉट लर्नड. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन 378. देन 379. आफ्टर 78 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर होता है? तो 79. और उसके बाद हम लोग 100 की वैल्यू सीख रहे हैं, इसलिए 379. ओके, 379. ओके, आफ्टर 379 यू विल गेट 9 है तो मतलब यहाँ पे 0 आएगा. 7 है मीन्स यहाँ पे 8 आएगा. ये 3 की वैल्यू ऐसे ही रहेगी. ओके, मतलब कि द नंबर विच यू विल गेट हियर 380. कौन सा नंबर है? 380. EIGST. Okay, now next one number which will start here 381. Okay, 300 and EIGST Y 80ONE1. रिमेंबर इट कि आप जो वैल्यू सीरियस यहाँ पे चालू करें, जो सीरीज़ है दिस ऑफ 80s सीरीज़, इसको कौन सी सीरीज़ बोलते हैं? 80s की. 381 के बाद 382. 382, 383, 383. ओके, 384. इसी तरह से लिखना है.